my gosh. It's gonna take forever. Working. It fucking works. You just gotta be careful. If you lay them on the side like that, you're gonna fuck it up. So you gotta try and keep it as flat as possible. Oh, like a bigger sander? I do have a hand sander. I don't. Would you think it'll work? Body work? I think my way's working. I have more control over this now. Right. Hell yeah! Much better. That's fucking done. That cake is done. Thank you. That's gonna make it much better. Look. I don't have 40 grit. I only had 80 grit. If you had 40 grit, I think it'd be much better. But I don't know, the 80's fucking pretty good. It's smooth. Smooth enough for the glue on, you know.
All the videos I seen show people using a wire brush like this.
Get out your DA and DA that motherfucker. If you ain't learning something new every day, there's something fucking wrong with you. I don't care how fucking smart you are. Look at Elon. Elon still learns something new every fucking day. Like, you gotta be able to learn something new every fucking day of your life. And if you ain't doing that, you're a fucking ignorant. Period. Good shit, right? Yup, yup. I'm waiting, wanting this liner to look good. Me too.